Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel on occupational therapy for children. My name is Katina Lottis and this video focuses on tips and tricks for young children. In particular, our first instructional video will take a look at how to hold a pencil and how to make sure that it is tilted towards your shoulder rather than away from it. So we're taking OT to the next level, and let's go now to our solutions video so you can see how to solve this problem. So all you need for this trick are a circular object that has some give to it, like a scrunchie or an elastic, and your writing instrument. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it on your wrist and then make a figure 8. So it's on my wrist. I'm going to make my figure 8, secure it, so now it is pointing towards the shoulder, and that's going to hold it in place, and that is your solution.